Hello, my friends. The old Opinel knife here. Let's open her up. We've got a package from China. You know that Kasey Neistat, when he gets packages, he just rips them open with a knife like that and then throws the package down. He's very sort of careless with the way he opens things. I suppose he wants his videos just to go nice and slow. Whereas, or fast rather. Whereas me, well, I want them to go slow. I don't want to be cutting into any cables in there, you know. I'm making some mistake. There we go. Let's cut this open. It's not coming very nicely. Come on. There we go. Get it past that little bit there. Get this down. Oh. Nearly there. There we go. So, here we are. When you look at those things on the internet, they look so big and impressive. I bought 5 LED lights, red and blue, and they look so big and impressive. But look at them. They're just fitted inside this little box here. Don't know what they're like. But it had these sort of cables here, so you can sort of put them in series or in tandem or whatever you would call it, like that. So you can join them all together. So you can only have one power source for them. And then there was this one. Oh, that's for a European plug. I got it. You can get American plugs as well. And on there, there's a little timer which you can set how many hours the lights are going to be on for. So, that looks good. Little button there, switching it on and off. And these are the LED lights themselves. I was thinking I would have a long board like that and then put 5 of them so that they're going down onto the growing surface. And there was supposed to be some other things in here. It looks like they're not here, and I don't find them unless they're inside the boxes here. I'll just throw this away like Kasey Neistat now. Watch this. Ah! See, that just makes a video when you do things like that. Okay, let's open this up and see what it's like. Ah, there we have it. This is the little thing which allows you to put it onto a board, a clip. Let's take this out and I'll show you. There's 2 clips like that. See that? A little screw going up through that hole, and you clip the light onto that. There's 2 of them in there. There's 2 little screws. So that's good. And that there is the LED light. Let's take this out. So there's supposed to be red and blue in there. And these here are the things for hooking them up in tandem. So look here, which way would it go? Very difficult to see on both ends. Don't think it matters which way it goes in. Just like that. Once I get it all rigged up, then I'll switch it on and we'll see what they look like. So I'll just pause the video here and get you back when I've got everything rigged up. Well, that's what the unit looks like when it's all hooked up. These are the small LED lights there. You can see if I zoom in there. I don't know if that's going to stay in focus. So those are the all little LED lights. And so you have this cable which goes in there and hooks up to that one. Goes along there, hooks up to that one, hooks up to that one, along there. You can see how it goes. So there's 5 little lights. And now we have to plug that one into this end one here and then fire her up and see if she begins to glow. So let's do that now. Okay, that's them all plugged in, and it's also plugged into the wall there. So now it's time to switch it on and see what happens. Here we go. 5, 4, 3. Is it going to 1, 2, 1, 0? Wow. That's pretty bright. It just sort of, I don't know what it does. It makes everything else go dark. But that's it. So that's it. It seems to work okay. Now I just hope that the red lights are supposed to be for vegetative growth and the blue lights are supposed to be for flowering. I hope it's got enough lux so that it all works. But that's it. The LED lights from China for my little grow room once I get it built. There we are. That's it. Oh, whew, it's really bright. So there we have it, tovarich. The LED lights from China, from Aliexpress. I don't know how long they'll last or if they'll be effective, but it was about the best deal I could find. And I'll let you know once I get the grow room built up how they perform and if they're any better than those long fluorescent lights. So that's it. That Aliexpress LED grow lights with green and blue for vegetative growth and flowering. Bye for now.